everyone, welcome to the channel. This is the GCSE exam sprint series. Here's another popular GCSE exam style question. I've seen questions like this quite a few times. Please pause the video and give this a try. When you're doing a question like this, it's always good to draw a diagram. Points P, Q, R, and S lie in order on a straight line. Okay. You are told that PQ to PS is 3:5. Okay. PQ to PS is 3:5. So that is 3 parts. That is 5 parts. Now, it makes sense to actually get this as a fraction from the whole length. 3 parts here. And we know the whole thing is 5 parts. So if the whole thing is 5 parts, this is 3/5. If that is 3/5, obviously, that one is the whole one. Let's call it 5/5. And this one here is obviously 2/5. PR to RS is 4:1. Okay. PR to RS is 4:1. Now, 4 add 1 is 5 again. So that is 1/5. This is 4/5. This is a relatively easy one. So my question is PQ to QR to RS. Now we know PQ is 3/5. See, P to Q is 3/5. So that's pretty easy. So let's write 3/5. Now what is RS? RS here at the end, we know that is 1/5. So that is 1/5. The whole thing is 5/5, 5/5, so 1 whole. And I know the green bit is 3/5. The yellow bit is 1/5. So that's 4/5. Obviously, the middle bit here, Q to R, this one here, must also be 1/5. So how do I know that? Because then that 1/5 and 3/5 and 1/5 give you 1 whole. Now, there are multiple other ways of thinking about it. For example, this is 2/5 from here to here. This bit here, R to S, is 1/5. So obviously that remaining bit must be 1/5. So obviously here we can cancel out the 3 numbers. And the answer is 3:1:1.